Hello everyone, this is Sumit Bharati and today I will start mensuration. Basically mensuration is a very wide topic and in which we consider only two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are those which have two dimensions, length and breadth. So basically first of all we will consider only square. Square is the shape which have all four sides are equal. It means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, and as we know that all are equal, so we will consider as common for A. We will denote all side by A. And further, it have its first property, and we will consider it, we will tell about the second property, that in a square two adjacent sides are at 90 degree angle. It means it have four 90 degree. So angle between two sides. And further, we will talk about its formulas. Then we will first of all come through the formula like a perimeter. Perimeter is basically we can talk about in Hindi is a परिमाप. परिमाप is the when we walk around the sides, it's like a total length, and we can say that if there is a wire and we make a square through the wire, then we will consider it will make like that. Then we join the center like this. So perimeter will be AB plus K, BC plus CD plus DA, and all AB, BC, CD and DA are equal to A. It means it have 4A. So perimeter will be 4A. And about area, if you talk about area, then area of the square is A square. It means it will be like a side square or side into side, and it's a second formula, square. And third about it's a diagonal. DA, DB and AC are known as a diagonal. DB and AC both are same, and its formula is like. And if, first of all, you will see that it's DB, BC and CD is like a triangle. In triangle, as we know that there is a Pythagoras theorem. So according to that, we can consider that DB equal to under root of perpendicular square and base square. So we can see that diagonal is A root 2. This is our square formula. And now we will talk about the rectangle and the shape. We talk about rectangle. Rectangle also similar as a square, but there is difference in the length. There is a difference in the length. As we know that square have all four sides equal, but in a rectangle we have parallel side equal. It means AB and CD equal to CD and DA. Longest side is known as length and it is denoted by L. Shortest side is known as breadth. It is denoted by L and B. And further we will talk about perimeter. So its perimeter is according and again it's when we walk around the sides. So rectangle perimeter is twice of L plus B, and its area will be multiplication or product of the sides L into B. And if we talk about its diagonal will be like this, and again its diagonal DB and AC will be same. So DB and AC will be like this is denoted as B and this is L. So L square plus B square. And I have already discussed that this comes from Pythagoras theorem. As we can see that this is look like a triangle. So BB and AC it is known as what? It's a diagonal. Thank you.